Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and then go to screen mode, and by default screen mode is set to vivid. If you would like to change it to other option, click on natural so that natural color mode screen mode will appear. This is the preview of natural screen mode. Okay, you can also customize vivid mode. Okay, click here and you can adjust the white balance manually. Click on the advanced settings, then you can adjust white balance colors, red, green and blue. Okay, first of all I adjust red. Okay, then green, then blue. So color mode will be that is screen mode will be changing. Okay, so at your desired level you can keep a screen mode color. Okay, suppose if you want to increase white balance, move this point to the right side. Okay, this is warm. Okay, then cool. Cool means you go to decrease white balance. Okay, yeah, if you set at middle, that is default to white balance. Okay, so in this way, these are all the samples. 3 samples are given here. Okay, so it will be look like this at this settings. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.